Did you know that you can make spring rolls without deep frying them? Well, today we will show you how to make delicious and healthy steamed spring rolls. The secret to these spring rolls is the thin rice paper wrappers that are filled with delicious combination of ground beef, veggies, and flavorful spices. Then we steam them and serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. Join us as we make these beautiful and delicious spring rolls. The key to amazing spring rolls lies in the flavorful filling. We'll start by sauteing half cup of chopped onion in a wok over medium-high heat, along with 4 cloves of minced garlic. And 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Now just stir and stir for a minute. It's time to add the protein. We will brown 500 grams of ground beef, but feel free to use your favorite meat instead. When the beef starts to turn brown, add 1 cup of shredded carrot. And add 1 cup of shredded red or green cabbage. Cook the vegetables for 2 minutes or until they are slightly tender. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch that helps to absorb excess moisture from the filling. Next, let's add the seasonings, starting with 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and finally 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir until the liquid has evaporated. Give it a taste and season with salt and pepper if necessary. Turn off the heat and garnish with 2 stalks of chopped green onion. Stir the filling one more time and let it cool to room temperature. It's time to wrap it up. Grab a rice paper wrapper and soak it for a minute in warm water. We found that steaming rice paper produces the best results. Now, place it on a clean, flat surface. Place about 4 tablespoons of the filling near the bottom of the paper. Next, roll the bottom of the rice paper over the filling. Fold the sides of the rice paper over the filling, overlapping slightly. Now, roll the spring rolls tightly to ensure they hold together well. To prevent the spring rolls from sticking on the steamer, place them on a piece of parchment paper. Finally, steam the rolls for 5 minutes. And there you have it, delicious spring rolls with a chewy and soft exterior and a savory, meaty and tasty filling, are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them with your favorite dipping sauce, and ours happens to be Hoisin sauce. You got yourself the perfect snack or starter. We hope you enjoyed this easy and healthy recipe, and if you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.